Here we're getting ready to remove this engine cover on a BMW, and for this you'll need a Torx T45 bit. And if you don't have these, what you can do is use a screwdriver, and that will work as well. And all you need to do is turn them about 180 degrees, like so, just to unlock them. And you can just feel it that they are unlocked. That's removed as well. Now here you can just try to reach through here. This piece does also come up, and that's all there is. Once you loosen all these screws, you can go ahead and pull the engine cover off. You have to be careful because that will just pop out and fall.